G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's August the 12th, 2023. This is the US S&P 500 update. First off, on the daily chart, you can see here we've hit our key resistance up here at 4607, and it's made a retracement, and we did hit our target on our previous video, and that's between the 23 and the 38% Fibonacci retracement from that high to that significant low there. Now, it's still declining. You'll notice the CCI is still declining there, along with the Stochastic. So still pretty weak in terms of any potential up movement, unlikely at this point. Now, on the daily, you can see there more clearly. This is a different divergence level, but you can notice as well between that Fibonacci range to that significant low. It's actually, the price is actually, after breaking into our target area on that divergence, it's actually come down and resting on this 61% level, which is a key area. So unless we see any bounce from here, then we're going to see further declines possibly. Now we may see a bounce possibly, and the reason I say that is we've got a divergence playing out at the moment on that CCI there versus the price, and the price is declining with those lows, whereas on a CCI we've got higher lows on that point there. So we may see a bounce from there, and just to put in a potential target, let's assuming it keeps going up from there, we're going to have a Fibonacci from that low to that recent high, and we're going to put in a target area between that 23% and that 23% up to that 38% level. So that'll be our initial target area of a retrace if this is to work. Now, the price may still fall so long as the CCI stays above the entry point there. We're going to continue monitoring that to see where the ultimate low point is. But that's just the initial target. Should it bounce from there, it doesn't go any lower than that point. So you can see there, historically, we had a few more divergence. There was a double top there, bearish divergence versus the price. It came down, hit our target with a little bit of a retrace. And there's a few more, I probably deleted them, but there would have been a few more that had happened over the US market. Going back to the daily for a moment, and again, just be mindful, the market is weakening. You can see there, that was a bearish divergence. And that's happening with a lot of the a lot of the markets, apart from the S&P. Also, we're talking about the German DAX, the French CAC, the UK FTSE, and the ASX, and so on. That's been a common pattern. So we are seeing some weakness in the markets, with some minor retracement to the upside. So I'll keep an eye on that and keep you aligned with where things are going. So just be mindful of those little retracements and potential further downside. To get more insight into some of this, and if you like what you see here, support us on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.